All good things must come to an end, so in today's video I am parting with this toaster that I have had for 21 years, and I am doing a review of a toaster that Redmond sent me, and I cannot wait to show it to you guys, so stay tuned. Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. I was so excited when Redmond reached out to me and offered to collaborate with me on this video. I have searched for a toaster for a while, and I was very excited that they agreed to send me a toaster, and I have it right here and I'm getting ready to unbox it and we'll go over it together. So this is the Redmond 2-slice toaster. It has 6 settings. It has 900 watts. It has 1.5 inches extra wide slots, and it has a removable crumb tray, which is great for cleaning. So let's get this open. I love the packaging. Make sure to check my description box for a 15% off coupon for you just from today until December 23rd. So it comes with a user manual that looks like this. It also comes with a picture of your toaster heat level settings from a level 1 all the way to a level 6. She is in all of her beauty. So we have the extra wide slots here. We have a bagel setting, we have a defrost setting, we have our levels 1 through 6. We can press down here to toast. And this is perfect for making breakfast on a busy morning. And this is what the back side looks like, with a nice, pretty, sleek line. Right here on the side, you will find the crumb tray. You can just pull it out and empty out the crumbs and put it back in. That easy. Before I make some toast and cut it into Christmas shapes just as a special holiday treat, because I know we're also busy this time of year, I just wanted to point out this awesome defrost button. You could even take frozen waffles, it cuts out the guesswork of defrosting, and put them in the toaster on a busy morning, get your kids ready for school, and they will be done. So now I'm going to make some toast and we're going to check it out and see how it works. And I'm going to put it on a level... I'm going to do a level 4. So I'm going to put the toast in. And there you go, that's a level 4. Now I'm going to do a couple more on a level 3. This time of year is so busy, but I wanted to take the time to give a special breakfast to my family. Even though it's just toast, I am using some holiday cutters to make some holiday toast, and it will make a great breakfast for my family and so cute. So this is what the 3 looks like. So within just a few minutes, I was able to toast some bread and cut out some cute Christmas shapes that will make a fun Christmas morning breakfast. With the crumb tray, it just makes cleanup so simple. All I had to do, I unplugged it, I pulled out that crumb tray, I was able to empty any little crumbs onto the plate that I was going to put away, and this toaster is pretty enough that I can display it on my counter if I want to, or I can put it away when not in use, but such simple cleanup. So I will have to say that getting this toaster made it so easy to part with my 21-year-old toaster. I absolutely love it. Love the settings, would highly recommend it. I am going to leave their link in my description box below, and I would love for you to go check them out, and this would make a great Christmas gift as well. Thank you, Redmond, so much for sending me this toaster and for collaborating with me, and I absolutely love it and would highly recommend it. And I just want to thank everyone for watching, and remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.